Hey people, and for this round, we're going to show you how to set a stop limit on your Binance account for any orders. Normally, when we use a limit, there is a specific amount that we can set and the system will automatically buy for us. But if we use a stop limit, you can set two amounts. For example, we buy in at 3.1 and we limit at say 3.2. And anywhere in between, the system will trigger on the best amount within those two prices. And we can also use the average market price for when we want to buy in USDT. And so those are a few ways on how to maximize our options when buying in Binance. If you have any questions, just leave them in a comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.